Hello guys, hope doing well. This is my TV based spectrum analyzer. So you can see that is connected to the electron multimeter for the Corning company, and it is connected to the auxiliary jack. This is made by me. Usually the device not coming with this output, but I try to make this, and this is the original output of the electro-multimeter LCD. So it is connected to the low noise operational amplifier I ordered over eBay. This is a special one and working with 9-volt battery. It's coming with noise cancellation, as you can see, with 2 dual operational ICs, and I tried to use this amplifier as signal generator for the TV. So the output of the electro-multimeter is connected to this amplifier. You can change this meter if you don't have something like this to the any other source, sound source like mobile phones or any signal generators or function generators like 555 ICs or something, to connect the output to this project. So for me now, I use this electro-multimeter, and I will show you exactly the result. And this is the inside of the old TV. You can see the output of amplifier is connected to the X input of the TV lamp, and the Y connection is back to the old X connection incoming. It's very easy to know exactly how to do this cabling. When you cut it up and check one by one, it's very easy to find out what's going on. You can see when I'm pushing the door remote key, we have signal here. Or with any Bluetooth system, I don't have it here. Let me check what I have to test it. Yeah, you can see when I make close this old mobile phone to the project. Yeah. I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. Yeah. When I turn on Bluetooth, you can see that. Yeah. Let's go out. I will try to tune more this device, and thanks for watching.